Can you help me find out what's inside this box? Let's see. Look, I see a butterfly. Can you hear it? It sounds crunchy. It's purple and pink. Let's see what else. It's a lion. Roar! It's yellow and brown and it feels soft. Hi, lion. Let's see what else we can find. I hear something. Let's see. It's a green ball. Can you hear it? It has a bell inside. Let's see what else we can find. It's a blue elephant. Look at its trunk and its green ears. He's soft too. Hi, elephant. Let's find out some more things inside. Oh, look, it's a green frog. Hi, green frog. He's saying hi back to you. Is there anything else inside? Let's see what else. Oh, look, it's a blue car. Vroom, vroom. Okay, I feel some more things. Let's see. I got 2 things. I have a mirror that's a flower. And look, a ladybug. Hi, ladybug. Let's count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop away, ladybug. Okay, let's see. An airplane. Wow, check it out. He's flying away. What else do we have? A goldfish. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Hi, goldfish. This looks like the puffer fish. See you later. And that's all. It's empty. We finished.